Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fantastic apple pie. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your pie turns out perfectly golden and incredibly delicious. You'll learn how to create a flaky crust and a sweet, spiced apple filling that will impress everyone. Get ready to bake a classic dessert that's surprisingly easy to achieve, even if you're new to baking. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey together. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium apples, like Breeburn or Granny Smith, peeled, cored, and sliced to about 1/4 inch thick. For the crust, have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of cold butter, and a pinch of salt ready. Don't forget 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg for that perfect apple filling flavor. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth. Now for the fun part, assembling your pie. Roll out 1/2 of your chilled pie dough into a 12-inch circle and carefully place it into your pie dish. Pour in your spiced apple filling, mounding it slightly in the center. Top with the second crust, crimping the edges to seal, and cut a few vents. Bake your pie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. It will smell amazing. Once your beautiful apple pie is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes or even an hour to allow the filling to set properly. This ensures clean slices and a perfect texture. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for an extra treat. Any leftovers can be stored covered at room temperature for up to 2 days. For other great deals and the link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.